And I got this. I received this package. Let's try to open a shoes. Whoa, this is good. I like it. Yeah, if you notice this thing, there's so many holes in here because this is one of the features of an adventure shoes. Yeah, it's not slippery because of these features. Yeah, also it's easy to dry. If you go to the website of Aleader, you're going to see these kinds of shoes. They have different designs, and yeah, depends on your purpose of using the shoes. But, you know, wearing this, I can easily go to the water without worrying the socks and making my shoes wet. And according to the website, this one easily dry. This shoes is good for if you are living in the beach area or if you like hiking. I think this is also good in the gym. Guys, yeah, we are going home. No, we are going to work. Yeah, it is now maybe 11:35. Yeah, my duty will start at 12 o'clock until 9 o'clock. I have the battery charger of my bike here with me because I am expecting that my battery will be losing tonight. Yeah, and it will be difficult to drive uphill. If you can see, there are 2 bars in there. And yeah, I will be charging it at work. You know, I was checking on the advertisement of Aleader, and this is not designed for biking, but I feel comfortable wearing it like this. Yeah, and if you notice, I am wearing a socks. It is because I need to wear socks at work. I can easily just take it off and move to another one, to my working shoes. How nice is that? Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're just going to roam around. I am day of today and tomorrow also, and then the next day we'll be working at 2 o'clock, so we have a long days. So nice, this restaurant is open today. This is busy actually, a lot of people. Good afternoon. Huh? Yeah, I'm vlogging. And we're going to have this fish and chips and Coca-Cola, and it costs $15. People are swimming there, and we're going to leave the bike there. I lock it there. I hope it is going to be safe, and when I come back, I hope it's still there, and we'll be walking along the beach. I can see from here there is one lady. She is sunbathing topless, with the boyfriend. They are there. Beautiful, look at this. Oh, nice. It is beautiful here. And look at that, there is a tent. I want to do something like that in the future. In the coming days, when I have a long days off, I'm going to do camping. Yeah. At this time, I'm a little bit scared to do that because, you know, but I will try first in the campsite and then do it in the place like this. It's a very small tent. That would be the cheapest in Kmart. Those birds are playing in the water. Yeah, we actually started walking from that side. Remember, I leave my bike on that side and then I walk along the shoreline in the rocky area. I cross some bush and then going around there and I reach that place. And it's nice. Yeah, and I noticed that shoes is now dry. Amazing. This shoes is really designed for, you know, water walking and walking to the rocks. It is nice. Yeah, if you are interested to this kind of shoes, you can visit the website of Aleader and they will give you 15% discount if you use my name, Abrodero. Yeah, and this promo is valid only until June 30, but you can always buy this. This is nice and this is very affordable. Okay, the bike is safe. I can see it is still there. Going to be a wedding later on. Yeah, we're going home now. And if you are interested in this kind of shoes, you can visit the website of the Aleader. And like what I've said, you're going to get a 15% discount if you use the word Abrodero upon checkout.